Hello guys, can you see me? Hello guys, welcome to a new vlog. This is a new vlog, and I do hope that you enjoyed the last one because I really enjoyed filming and editing it. So today, this is Monday morning, and I got a tripod. I got a tripod in the course of the week. Last week I did not vlog last week because I already had a video that I was going to put out after the vlog, so I did not bother vlogging because the truth is content creation is not easy. Moving your camera is not easy at all, so I just decided to rest last week. So last week I got a new tripod. Yeah, look at it, I already unboxed it. So this is what we have. Let me set it up and show you guys in a bit. So guys, so this is the tripod. This is the tripod when you have not extended it. I think it's about, what's the specification? Everything here is written in China. How am I supposed to know this specification? The Bluetooth shutter it has is just for phone and not for cameras. But there are no specification like how tall is it or something. But I think they wrote it was around 140 cm. I don't know, I've forgotten, but this is it. This is it when it's not extended. If you want to extend it, let's extend it. You just open up here, open this up, and oh, it's extended. After extending, you close it up and boom, it is standing. You can even extend it further up like this. You can extend it further up. I think this is the highest it can go. So this is the highest. So guys, that was the tripod I got, and even though I feel like I got it expensive because I got that stuff for 22,500, and I'm thinking in my head that thing is just expensive because I feel like I saw something very close to it on Facebook Marketplace and they were selling for 12,000. I don't know, but I just decided to go with the Instagram vendor and I got it from Gadget and Stuff on Instagram. So yeah, 22,500. I just feel like it's overpriced. Maybe that's because of the mentality I have about Instagram people. I just feel like those people, just because it's on Instagram, they just like tend to exaggerate, like overprice their items. But I got it already, so yeah, I finished making the yam that I saw me peeling. So I want to eat. I want to eat bread. I'm thinking whether I should do bread and butter or bread and stew and zobo drink. Let me show you guys my zobo drink. I made it last week as well when I was not vlogging. I was just like, this week that I'm not vlogging, I just have a lot of activities going on. So my loves, this is fermented pineapple peel. So what is inside here is pineapple peel, clove seed, and cinnamon stick, and then a combination of water and sugar. I boiled the sugar and the water, and then when I brought it to a boil, I just soaked it in here. And this has been sitting since on Thursday. Today is Monday, so that's like Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, like 4 days and a half. Yeah, so I want to sieve it now. And they say this drink is for the gut, that it's good for gut health and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to sieve it and I'm going to package it. When I want to drink, I'll take, this is the shot, I'm going to use to measure. I'll be using this cup to measure each shot every morning, or has a spirit lid, so let me strain it. this is all the liquid I got. This is all the liquid. This is all the liquid I got. So I'm just going to package it, and I'm going to test it in your presence. So you see what it tastes like. Let's see what it tastes like, because this is my first time. So yeah, I'm just going to get my can that I'm going to use to package this, and then I'll just package it and be taking it one every morning. Yeah. So guys, this is the shot. So let's try it and see. Yeah, yeah. And I forgot to add. I added ginger. It's from even the smell that I realized that I also added ginger. I forgot to mention that. So what is inside here is the peel of a pineapple, clove seed, cinnamon stick, ginger, and sugar water. Boiled sugar water, which now is cold already. So yeah, let's try it. It's sour. It's sour. It's smelling like palm wine. Yes. Ah, okay. Not that bad. I like the sour taste. Let me pour myself another cup, another shot. I'm just going to keep this one so my husband will come and try it. It tastes like beer. It tastes like beer. I guess it's beer because of the sugar, right? I like it. I like it. So that is what I'm going to be taking every morning and see what it gives us, right? Yeah. So guys, this is all the chicken properly coated with flour and egg. So I'm just going to deep fry this chicken, and we'll get ourselves a crispy looking chicken. So yeah. What is your reaction? How do you see it?
Awesome. So yummy.
So yummy. So yummy. Let me eat my own. Bon appetit.
KFC.
So guys, good morning. Today is Tuesday morning and I am ready to work out. I want to do my workout. I work out 3 times in a week because I don't know. Look at, I don't know. I'm adding. I'm adding. So I need to watch it now when I can control it. I don't want it to get out of control. So yeah, I work out 3 times a week. One of which is for the abdomen area. The other one is for the bum and the hips. And then the last workout is like regular jogging. That one I go on every Saturday with my husband. From my previous vlog, I talked about it. So yeah. So let's start this workout. Yeah. So I'm done with my exercise. I'm done with my exercise, and I want to take the shot I made. You know that shot I told you guys about. Let me bring it out of the fridge. I want to take it. This, you know, this thing I made. The stuff I soaked for 4 days and 5 days. So this is it. I want to take one shot. And I said I'm going to be taking it every morning. So that's even the first thing that's going to enter my stomach today. Imagine I've not even had anything and it's 10:15 a.m. Let me pour myself a shot. I don't know, should I mix it with alcohol? Should I mix it with this hot or this Jameson? Should I mix it with this hot? Should I mix a little? Let me mix it with this one. Just a little, a little. The last time I drank this hot, you don't want to know what it did to me. Oh, just a little. Yeah. Yo, God. Cheers. Should I off light? Eh? Okay. Ready to go sporting. We are ready to go and sport my. We are ready to go and sport. We are ready to go and do our exercise for the day. Peace out. guys, I just finished doing what I was supposed to do. I've the entire house. I swept the house. Then I washed the fruit like I showed you guys. So I want to just go and get ready, get dressed, and start heading to the market. I need to make soup today. I want to make egusi soup or melon soup, and I want to make zobo drink. So I want to go to the market to get stuff for my melon soup and for the zobo drink. And yeah, let me go and get dressed. I have today is going to be packed. Like today, like it's almost okay. This is 12:18. By the time I'll have my bath, go to my husband's shop to collect money for the soup and the zobo drink, come back to the house and start making this food. By the time I finish, the day will be over. Honestly, the day would have been over. Oh boy, I just I just came back from the market. I'm tired. My hair my hair, oh my hair. Hey, I'm tired, Allah. Things are expensive. Hello, I cannot come and kill myself. Let me rest a bit. So my loves, I just finished making food. And I'm sorry I could not carry you guys along because I'm tired. I was tired. I'm still tired because shall let me show you guys what I made. I made egusi soup. So this is my egusi soup. This is one mighty pot of egusi soup. So this is what I made. This is what I made. This is what I made. Yeah. So I'm just making eba. Then I'll just, after making the eba, I'm going to put it inside cooler and serve my husband when he comes back. A girl is tired. A girl is tired.